This is my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra phone, and even after almost 5 years, it just received a November 2025 software update. Honestly, seeing an update on a phone this old still excites me. In this video, I will update my S21 Ultra, talk about why updates matter, share important precautions, and explain why I love Samsung for their long-term support. This is mainly a security focused update. No big new features, but updates like this quietly improve the system protection and keep your phone safe. Many smartphone stops receiving updates just after a few years, but here we are. Nearly 5-year-old Galaxy S21 Ultra is still getting official security patches, and my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra will receive software update for 7 years. That's exactly why I love Samsung's update policy. Even for older and budget-friendly devices, security updates protect your phone from malware, data leaks, and system vulnerabilities. Even if your phone feels fast and smooth, outdated security can put your personal data at risk. This is especially important if you use banking apps, email, or social media in your phone, which I am sure that you are using right now. So, yes, updating your phone is very important no matter how small the update size is. You must follow the few precautions before installing any software update on any device, even iPhone. Make sure the battery is at least 50% or more. Use stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Always back up your important data using Samsung Cloud, Google Drive, Smart Switch, or local backup. Then ensure you have enough space remaining on your device, and please don't interrupt the update. Do not power off your device or don't touch anything. Don't press any button. My update download process is being completed. Yes, I am tapping the install now button. The phone may restart multiple times, which is completely normal. Seeing updates on a phone this old is exactly why I respect Samsung, even for their sub $100 budget and older devices. So, this is it. My Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is installing the new November 2025 software update. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to my channel Galaxy Station, and stay tuned for more real Samsung and Android update.